Um, I'm sure you're well versed with the different leadership styles that are out
Yeah.
there. We can list them here somewhere in the corner, either here or here, for those who
Yeah.
need to see them. You've mentioned one of your preferred leadership styles, which is servant leadership. What are your opinions about different leadership styles and which ones to use? And I think the quintessential statement about leadership, and I think this is where coaching becomes challenging as well.
Yeah.
Some people have natural styles that are in tune with their inner voice and maybe their feelings and emotions and principles. But I've noticed the most challenging coaching sessions that I've had are when people say, I have to bring bad news, or I have to have a one-on-one with somebody, and I feel uncomfortable getting into this judgmental area, stuff like that. What's your take on, and what I'm basically going to say, I think what leaders need to learn is that situational leadership is a requirement.
You took it.
How
right
do you
out
feel
of my
about
mouth.
that?
You just took the answer right out of my mouth. And you know, a style, your leadership style, is often, not always, as an OB psychologist, is often based on your personality type.
Yeah, what you're good at.
Yeah, you're a driver. You're an extrovert driver. You are a thinker. Therefore, you are demanding, competitive. You're driven. You don't accept incompetence, and sometimes you tend to be a little bit abrasive, right? So that's usually your style. You're demanding. You're result oriented as a leader, and that's where style often comes from. What your personality is all about. So. For me, you need to be somebody with like a multiple personality disorder. Yeah. Really, honestly, you need to have to
read the situation.
Yes. Like, for example, we say that can you change your personality? Can you change or choose your personality? You cannot, but you can change or choose your behavior.
Absolutely.
Right. So same thing. Can you change your style? 100%. So your style should be, as you mentioned rightly so, is situational. What does this situation require? What does this person require? What is the context? What is the frequency? And that's where, agile leaders need to learn to exist. I call it like an Olympian. An Olympian is so agile, and they can pivot very quickly, like a really badass, either wide receiver.
Yeah.
Who just gets the ball and it just runs, and he can pivot, and change directions quickly and adapt to the field and to the competition. And that's what agility is all about. And a lot of people, they look at agility different. Oh, we need to quickly make decisions and adjust to the market. Yes, it is. But agile leaders are leaders who are situational, number one. Agile leaders who master the art of coaching conversations. Agile leaders are masters in building high performance teams. Agile leaders are awesome change managers. They're not dinosaurs.